United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 270, Ways and Means of International Cooperation for the development and transfer of marine technology shall be carried out, where feasible and appropriate, through existing bilateral, regional or multilateral programs, and also through expanded and new programs in order to facilitate marine scientific research, the transfer of marine technology, particularly in new fields, and appropriate international funding for ocean research and development. Article 271, Guidelines, Criteria and Standards, states, directly or through competent international organizations, shall promote the establishment of generally accepted guidelines, criteria, and standards for the transfer of marine technology, on a bilateral basis, or within the framework of international organizations and other fora, taking into account, in particular, the interests and needs of developing states,